Hi everyone, today we are presenting on the web interface and workings of a bidirectional converter, splitter, booster and intelligent merger ArtGate. Once IP address is entered, we are directed to the main page. Basic parameters related to the data conversion and distribution are set here. These parameters include selection of DMX port direction and merge mode, primary universe protocol and universe number, secondary universe protocol and universe number, along with many DMX over Ethernet protocols supported, that is ArtNet, SACN, KeyNet, RTT-RPL. Static scenes stored in ArtGate non-volatile memory can also be chosen for merging and DMX outputting. Up to 4 network universes, either primary or secondary, can be merged together on each port. Number of merge modes is supported and can be used in different applications, making show control flexible and reliable. You can find the detailed description of merging capabilities in ArtGate user manual. The whole device settings can be changed and saved on main page. Device name and device description. Most significant part of universe number available in ArtNet 4 protocol is enabled. Also, indication mode for ArtGate LEDs can be toggled between normal and locate blinking. Advanced page contain many parameters and features for in-depth control of your lighting installation. A list of RDM fixtures connected to ArtGate output can be gathered and shown on request. DMX output signal timing can be set up by following parameters: break, mark after break, a number of DMX slots addresses in each output frame. Options give an ability to enable or disable some device features, mainly for compatibility with older lighting desks and third-party systems. Advanced port settings selection allows user to set up parameters affecting physical performance of each individual port. User can set up input period in milliseconds, used both for input data refresh to the network universe and for external signal presence detection on smart output. Output frame rate can be changed by repetition period in milliseconds. Output universe frame can be shifted by offset from -511 to +511. Any portion of DMX address base can be moved to any positions. What is useful when DMX addresses of connected fixtures cannot be changed for any reason. RDM enable disable options affect port functionality both in output and input mode. Terminator option enables built-in DMX line terminator on each port. Smart output option enables smart mode for ports in output mode. Smart DMX output port controls its activity according to presence, absence of corresponding network universes and presence, absence of external DMX controller connected to the same bus. Multiple controller or converters can be safely connected to the same DMX bus. What makes smart output feature extremely useful in projects where reliability and multi-level backup is a top priority. In advanced universe setting, auxiliary universes are set up for each individual port. Trigger or crossfading universe is used for dynamic switching or fading output DMX data between primary and secondary universes. Single control channel can be used for this purpose. Channel 512 by default, or each channel of X-fade universe can be control switching or fading in correspondence address, or each channel of X-fade universe can control switching or fading in corresponding addresses. Loopback feature is used for returning data merged and outputted by ArtGate back to the network as a new universe of specified protocol. Scene or trigger sections defines the functionality of triggering input. Inputs can be normally open or closed and force predefined static scenes to be outputted with specific delay. Current state of all ArtGate ports can be captured and stored as a static scene. Up to 4 scenes can be stored and run by trigger input or used for merging on output ports. Network page contains parameters related to the network functionality. Primary IP and primary mask set the main IP address for ArtGate, which is used by all supported protocols. Main IP address can be obtained if use DHCP option is set. Each ArtGate also has secondary IP address, which is not changeable and can be used for restoring access to the device if main IP is lost or forgotten. UDP ports for ArtNet and SACN protocols can be customized by corresponding parameters. On changing any network parameters, device reboots immediately with new settings. Profiles give you an ability to download and upload the whole set of ArtGate parameters including IP address. You can keep dedicated profiles for different venues, events, etc. and upload them into your ArtGate when needed to restore all parameters for specific installations. On firmware page, current firmware version is displayed and new firmware file can be uploaded and applied. Thank you for watching.